Okay, the commutative property, the commutative property of addition. Okay, this just means pretty much this. Let's bring up another little page. Right, 2 plus 3 is just the same as 3 plus 2, isn't it? Yeah, both produce 5. 4 plus 6 is just the same as 6 plus 4. They both produce 10. So the commutative property of addition, that's true. That holds true. It doesn't matter which order you add things in. You'll always get the same answer. Okay, so we can say that there it is. Okay, that works fine. Okay, doesn't matter which order you add the two numbers in. Now, how about subtraction? Okay, look at this. Is it going to work for subtraction? Well, let's have a look. Okay, what's going on here? 2 minus 3? 3 minus 2? No. Alright, you stick any two numbers in, subtractions. Well, you know, one's going to be a negative answer, one's going to be a positive answer. So you can clearly see there, it doesn't matter what I do. 5 take away 8. Well, that's negative 3. Okay, I know that much. I'm taking away a bigger number, I'm going to get negatives. Is it the same as 8 take away 5? Well, no, because that produces a positive 3. Okay, so can you see there is no commutative property of subtraction? It doesn't work. Okay, now, okay, important thing now. This is something a bit different. Watch this. So if I say, let's think about this. If I go, because what I'm really doing now is addition, back to addition, which we know is true. If I do 5 add a negative 3, which is kind of the same as saying 5 minus 3, okay, now we knew that's going to produce a 2, alright? So this produces a 2. Now this is addition, so it does hold true. When I swap these things round, I'm not going to write 3 minus 5, because this is 5 minus 3, okay? Okay, in other words, that there. But of course we're writing it like this. What I'm changing round is I'm going to put the negative 3, okay, first, instead. This is the commutative property, and I'm adding 5. Well, that produces a 2 as well, okay? So this is still addition, okay? I'm adding these two numbers. Just because I'm adding a negative, it doesn't matter. Okay, here we go. Here's the 5, here's the negative 3. If I do that, and there's the negative 3, and there's the 5, it's still going to give me a 2, okay? Because that is the commutative property of addition, all right? So don't get those confused up. So, right now we say we know we can't subtract, all right? We know we can't subtract. Go back to here again. There it is. Not going to work, okay? You can't do that. So, how about multiplication? Right, bring another page up. Well, there we go again. Look at that. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Doesn't matter. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, so yes, that's okay. We have multiplication. Yep, that's going to work. Okay. How about division? Last page over here. Well, there you go. 8 divided by 4 is not the same as 4 divided by 8. Okay, so you can't swap those around. One produces a 2, one produces a half. So you can't have the commutative property. You can't do subtraction. You can't do division. Okay, so it only works with addition and multiplication. Okay, and that's the commutative property. So again, if you go back to your book, that page, there it is. Okay, so actually I'll write this next to it. You could do this: A times B equals B times A. That might be elsewhere in the book. Okay, but there you go. That's the multiplication one. Okay, first one is the addition one. There we go. Okay, commutative property.